Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to draw and color Peppa's family together. Here we see Mrs. Pig, Mr. Pig, Peppa Pig, and George. Let's grab our black markers and start drawing the outlines. Drawing and coloring is so fun, so join me. Let's draw. Let's make the lines darker and thicker. That's it. Now it's time to color our beautiful drawing. Let's start with George. Here I'm using my light pink. Yes, light pink. Color with me. George is 2 years old. He is so playful. Let's color George's cheeks with sparkly pink. George loves blue, so let's color his clothes blue. That's right, my favorite color blue. Wow, look what do we have here? Peppa. We'll start with light pink. Peppa is 4 years old. She is so smart and curious. Let's color Peppa's cheek pink. Now her clothes are red. That's right, red, because she loves red. Great job! Color with me. Now it's time to color Mommy Pig. With her beautiful eyes and long eyelashes, we'll start with light pink. Mommy Pig is Peppa and George's kind and patient mother. She always takes care of her babies. I love Mommy Pig. Don't forget to color Mommy Pig's cheeks too. Mommy Pig loves orange, and she's wearing a beautiful orange dress. George's clothes is blue, Peppa's dress is red, and Mommy Pig's dress is orange. Kids, keep going. You are doing an excellent job. Well done. Look at Daddy Pig. He is so funny. He wears glasses to see everything clearly. Let's color him. Let's use our pink color again. Kids, do you love Peppa Pig? It's the amazing animation. Don't forget to color Daddy Pig's arms and legs too. Let's color Daddy Pig's cheek. It's pink. What color is Daddy Pig's clothes? That's right. Green. Green is the best color for Daddy Pig's clothes. I love Peppa Pig family. They're always happy. They play game and they love each other. We are almost done. Excellent! We did it! Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell for more coloring videos. Bye!